Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today I am going to show you one more traditional chutney from South India, Toor dal chutney. Ingredients for Toor dal chutney: 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, little curry leaves, little coriander leaves, 6 red chilli and small piece of tamarind. 100 grams of Toor dal, around 150 grams of onion, small onion, required salt and required oil to fry. Keep the pan, switch on the flame, add little oil to fry the red chilli. So we're going to add the red chilli. So only little oil to fry the red chilli only. So in this oil itself we will fry the Toor dal, coriander and the small piece of tamarind. So no need of more oil, only this much. So we're going to remove the red chilli now. Toor dal, coriander, tamarind. So you have to keep the flame in sim, fry till you can smell the flavor of everything, whatever ingredients we have added, you will get a flavor, nice flavor. So till that time you have to fry. See, I am getting the nice aroma of Toor dal and coriander. We are going to switch off the flame now. Let the mixture to cool. After that we will grind in the blender. So we are peeling the skin of the onion. This is small onion, which is, so peel the skin, and you have to do this thing for all the onions. This is very tasty chutney. It's the traditional Toor dal chutney. So we have peeled the skin, all the onions. Now we are cutting that one into half. So you have to cut all the onions like this. See how we peel the skin and cut into half one onion. So everything is ready now. We're going to grind in the blender the ingredients which we fried before. We have added already red chilli in this one. We are adding now the rest of the things. So we have to add required salt with this one. So we have to grind to nice powder this mixture. Little salt. So we have to grind like this the powder. Keep the pan, add little oil, keep the flame in medium. Let the oil get heated up. Mustard first, as usual. Asafoetida powder, curry leaves, onion, so we have to salt the onion. We are going to add the water now, around half liter, that is 500 ml. Let the mixture get boiled. We are going to add salt, required salt to taste. Keep in mind that you have added little salt in that powder also, which we made. So as per that one, as per the required taste, you have to add little salt. Chop the coriander and keep ready. We have transferred the powder in the bowl. We are going to mix with this one with water. See, we made the powder as paste now. So we have to make like this. So the mixture is boiling now. Keep the flame in sim. Then we are going to add the paste. See, if you are directly adding that powder, the lumps will be formed, then very hard to dissolve that one. That's why we are making this one as paste. So keep the flame in sim and check the salt. If needed, you can add more. So this is the stage. See, it started boiling. We have to switch off the flame now. We are adding coriander leaves. This is the final stage. So we have switched off the flame. This is the traditional dish in South India, especially in Tanjore district. It's very good side dish for idli, dosa. Toor dal chutney from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.